evil. The tree of life represent, I depend on God for wisdom, I depend on God for righteousness, I depend on God for life. He is my source. The tree of knowledge of good, that was the problem. Isono asiqalanga kwi-conduct, isono saqala kwi-mindset. U-Adam makona kaqalanga ngokuphuza utshwala, waqala ngokuba perverted in his mindset about God. Meaning umuntu instead yokuthi akhethe i-option yokuveza uNkulunkulu, wakhethe i-option yokuyiveza yena. Genesis chapter number 3 verses number 1 to 5. Ake sifunde Genesis chapter number 3 verses number 1 to 5. Awuvula iBhayibheli lakho, mina lana ngisebenzisa iKing James version. Sizwe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthini. Genesis chapter number 3 verses number 1 to 5. Now the serpent was more cunning than any beast of the field which the Lord God had made. And he said to the woman, has God indeed said, you shall not eat of every tree of the garden? Ngifuna ubone uma ngabe uSathane ezohlasela umuntu ensimini yase-Eden. Lithi iBhayibheli into yokuqala uSathane ayikhuluma, he questioned the character of God. uSathane uma ngabe edeceive Eva, wamdeceive ngokuphandle kaNkulunkulu. Lento yokuba sesonweni yilento yokucabanga ukuthi ungahamba kulomhlaba esiphila kuyo apart from God. That was the first sin, the rejection of the life of God. To be independent, to reject, to be dependent upon God. So the first sin was mindset. Sikubhekile Lord leyo nto leyo. God said, I made you in my image so you can express me. Men said, I want to be in my own image so that I can express myself. uNkulunkulu uthe, I will make a man in my own image so that this man can express me. Umuntu wathi angingeni indaba yokuba njengoNkulunkulu. I don't want to express God. I will be my own image and I will express myself.